Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss you about the English syllabus. So in this video I will provide you the complete English syllabus for the BTech first year. Okay. So if you are the students of the first year, then this video gonna very important for you guys, because in this video I will provide the complete syllabus. Now this is actually the syllabus you have to study in the second semester. Now the question arises that Bhaiya, why are you providing this syllabus on the first semester? So purpose of providing this is because you know guys, this day no doubt English have a great importance, and to study English we need some time. Okay, so I will suggest that every candidates, every student that try to practice English, try to learn English. Okay, that's why I'm providing these things, because no doubt your placement will happen in English. Okay, so in context to placement and overall communication skill, English is very important guys. इसलिए भाई मैं provide कर रहा हूँ syllabus of that. Okay, so you must watch the video completely guys. Okay, so before moving to the video guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video, क्योंकि इस तरह का important content आपको continuously provide करता रहेगा. Okay, so let us move to our video without wasting our time. Now BTech English. Okay, so actually this course name is HMHU. Okay, so I am showing you the syllabus, complete syllabus. Okay, so this is the basically your syllabus of the English. Okay, and the course code, that name is the HMHU 201. HM for humanities. Okay, so HMHU 201, you can clearly visualize that here semester is written as second. यहाँ वही लिखा हुआ second semester, and lecture per week will be given the 2 lecture per week. Okay, and credit point is 2. Okay, and there is no any prerequisite, means you have to study just basic of the English. आपको भाई English का basics इसमें पढ़ना है. Okay, I think that if your basically communication skill in class 10th, class 11, 12, then good, or you can say if your basic English is good, then you will face no any problem guys. आपका कोई खास एडवांस लेवल पे नहीं पढ़ना है फर्स्ट ईयर में. ओके, सो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं दैट HMHU 201 कोर्स कोड, कैटेगरी ह्यूमैनिटीज एंड सोशल साइंस इंक्लूडिंग मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेस. ओके, सो इसमें मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेस कोई खास आपको पढ़ना नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर द डिटेल्ड कंटेंट्स हियर? सो फर्स्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन, दैट इज द वोकेबुलरी बिल्डिंग. हियर बेसिकली you have to go with the word formation, what is compounding, back formation, clipping, blending. Okay, so these are the term you have to study in the second semester. Okay, and these are very important in context to the semester exam 2. semester exam में भाई इसका importance बहुत है, means basically word formation ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. if your response will good, then I will also provide some of the basic information related to the compounding, back formation क्या होता है, clipping. Okay, अगर आपका response रहेगा then मैं इसे provide करूँगा. besides that I am also providing the notes too. so if you are interested, you can also join my Telegram channel. so बात करते हैं next important thing, that is the root word from foreign language and their use in English. Simply you have to study the root word. Root word simply we tell, or that word that is basically primitive word, or you can say primary word, and from where variety of word came. यानी जो word से भाई basic word हुआ उसको root word करते हैं, उससे बहुत सारा important word आता है. so you have to study that. Next, third is important acquaintance of with prefix, suffix. so you have to study basically prefix and suffix, means such as the very important, you can say antonym. Okay, so antonym, so here prefix is anto. Okay, and there is names something differ. Okay, so ये सब भाई आपको पढ़ना है, prefix, suffix. Okay, besides the synonyms, antonyms, very important guys. I will suggest that start to learn synonyms, antonym from the first semester too, because that will helpful. then by second is basic writing skill. then first is vocabulary completed, then you have to study the basic writing skill. आपको writing skill लिखना है, means simply you have to study the sentence formation, how the what is the difference between simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. compound sentence is basically the combination of two sentences. complex, all things you have to study. then you have to study the phrase and clause, very important. importance of proper punctuation, creating coherence, what is coherence, importance, and how can you write the paragraph, all things. then creating cohesion, techniques for writing precisely, what are the important techniques to write, means have a good writing. ये सब आपको पढ़ना है. तो ये अपना second था basic writing skill. then third is the identifying common errors in English. I think that you have an idea about the common error, and basically you have to find the errors. so here means not much more vast, you have to study just the error of 7 types. first is the related to subject verb agreement. okay, where there is some certain printing mistakes, or some you can say other mistakes that will be happen, and you have to basically correct that or find the error. then भाई आपको पढ़ना है noun pronoun agreement, means common error related to noun pronoun agreement. then misplaced modifier, related to article A and the where the A and are missing or whether it is required or not, you have to study that. Then preposition, redundancies and cliches. Okay, so these are the terms, or you can say these are the टॉपिक दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी इन द कॉमन ईयर. ओनली 7 गाइस, इससे अलावा आपको कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है. देन फोर्थ इज द नेचर एंड स्टाइल ऑफ सेंसिबल राइटिंग. सो यू हैव टू स्टडी द वेरियस स्टाइल्स ऑफ सेंसिबल राइटिंग, दैट इज द डिस्क्राइबिंग, डिफाइनिंग, क्लासिफाइंग, प्रोवाइडिंग एग्जाम्पल और एविडेंस, राइटिंग इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन. सो दीज आर द टर्म यू हैव टू स्टडी in the second semester. And fifth is the writing practices. So basically writing practices. और भाई मैं आपको kind information के लिए बताता हूँ that you have lab 2 means English lab, English theory and English lab will be provided separately. Means English lab will be for the 2 hour and whatever the theory that you will study that you have to practice in the laboratory. Okay, वहाँ पर भाई बहुत सारा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आता है, इंट्रोडक्शन किस तरह से देना है. सो मैं आगे ऑलरेडी आपको वीडियो प्रोवाइड करता रहूँगा कि व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. बस हमारे चैनल को आप फॉलो करते रहें. Then writing practices, that is comprehension, precise writing, essay writing, business letter. So these are the important things and very very important CV, curriculum vitae and resume. So you have to study how can you write the resume, because you know guys resume is very very important when you are going for the placement. So जब आप placement के बैठेंगे तो you have to create a resume. So you have to study also how can you build the resume and all things. So these are the topics that you have to study. You can also take the screenshot because this will be really helpful for you guys. By one things I want to mention here that some college take the additional rupees for this, means for the you can say HMEQ courses or vocabulary courses they take additional rupees. Okay, so several college have different rule, or you can say different college have different rule. Some college take additional 10,000. बहुत सारा college का भाई 10,000 है, such as the AOT and other college they have the extra 10,000 means you have to pay 10,000 every year extra. Okay, and that is for the vocabulary building and all things. So आप ये ध्यान रखें. Okay. So guys, this is all the important things I want to mention and I hope video will be informative to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button guys, and please support my channel for providing such important video, because friends your support is very very important. Okay, if your response really good, also I will provide the all types of notes. Currently I have already provided the notes related to the math chapter and today I will provide the physics notes too. So आपको बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स मिलता रहेगा. आप हमारे चैनल को सपोर्ट करते रहें. And you can also ask your any doubt on the Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, whatever the platform you are comfortable with. Make sure to support guys. So till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.